simple methods. Keep watching and let's dive right into it. So these are the ingredients that we'll be needing for our plain cake. We'll be needing 3 eggs, a pinch of salt, baking powder, nutmeg, 125-gram butter, 125-gram sugar, 200-gram flour. We're needing 2 tablespoons of milk and 2 tablespoons of water. Guys, it's 50 minutes and our cake is ready. Our cake is golden brown and it's looking so delicious and yummy. So guys, I just went ahead and have a bite of this delicious cake. Like guys, you all can see. Trust me guys, this cake is yummy and delicious. Okay everybody, try this method at home. Alright everyone, I've come to the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to support your girl by subscribing to my channel. See you all in my